Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ryan's Reviews. And today we're going to be taking an open and honest look at super funnels. Now, super funnels claims to be a cutting edge, never before seen super funnels that can triple your traffic sources instantly for a low one-time price. Now, this is a pretty bold claim to make. And what we're going to do is we're going to find out if this is true or not. Now, before I do that, I should let you know that I have put together a bonus package for you guys that might be interested in this. Now, my bonus package is custom made to suit super funnels. These are bonuses that I've made myself and put together so that you can get the most out of super funnels. So we'll first take a quick look at that, and then afterwards we're going to hop straight into the members area and see if super funnels is as good as it claims to be. So with super funnels, they're going to give you a whole bunch of bonuses, but in addition to their bonuses, I have my own bonuses which you can get by clicking the link below in this video description. And if we scroll down my bonus page here, we'll see that my bonuses will expire in the next 3 days, which will be on the 29th of November at 12 a.m. to be exact. So the first bonus you're going to get from my package is the lead swapping hack. Now, bonus number 1, the lead swapping hack, will allow you to explode your email list. If you follow the instructions that I give you in this tutorial, you can have up to 100,000 confirmed leads that have opted in to my funnel and have them by next week and be mailing to them. Not only that, if you continue to use this lead swapping system, within the next month, you can have up to 500,000 qualified targeted email leads. So just think about what that can do for your business, especially when you consider that the money is in the list. This is something I will give to you so that you can supercharge your super funnels and explode your income. The next bonus that I put together is an email marketing secrets tutorial. Now, I put this together because in the super funnels system, which we are going to look at together, they do include email marketing, but they don't give you enough tips and explanations on how to maximize your open rate, how to maximize your click rate, and more importantly, how to avoid the spam box. So I've put together this bonus tutorial to enhance the success that you can get through the email marketing side of super funnels. The third bonus I've put together is a bonus vault containing 30 done-for-you bonuses. Now, these bonuses are courses that have been on Warrior Plus. These are high-quality tutorials that have been put together by well-known vendors such as Brendan Mace or John Armstrong and people like that. These are not your run-of-the-mill PR products. These are high-quality products that have been sold before. You will have access to 30 of them, which you can either use for yourself, but more importantly, you can put these on the thank you pages of your funnels and use these to get even more sales through your super funnel system. Okay, bonus number 4 is, this is what I call my massive traffic hack, which is a tutorial that teaches you how to explode your YouTube channel. Now, this is really important. If you want to get a ton of free traffic that highly converts, that converts like crazy, the best source for that is actually YouTube. But you need to know how to build up your channel in the right way so you can get massive amounts of subscribers and to get your videos to rank. And that's what this bonus covers. In bonus number 5, I give you my free traffic mastery course, which includes all kinds of free traffic. Whether it's PDF shares, we're looking obviously at Facebook, Twitter, Vimeo, the list goes on. This is an all-inclusive free traffic workshop, which will just enhance the free traffic that you'll already be getting and using with SuperFunnels. Now, bonus number 5, this is my high commission affiliate programs tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you all kinds of affiliate programs that not everybody is talking about, but can make you recurring commissions from $100 to $300 to $500 a month, and one-time affiliate commissions for $1,000, sometimes $2,000. So you'll want to check this out as well, because you want to use these high-ticket programs in the back end of your super funnel so that you can then make crazy commissions and make crazy profits. And the next bonus I have here, this is actually the 7th bonus. This is all of the vendor bonuses that you'll have access to. Now, the vendor bonuses, that's what every other affiliate marketer will be offering you, okay? So you can get those, they're on the bottom of the sales page, and you can see all of those down here. Vendor bonuses. Oops, I think I passed them. Okay, yeah, so here are some of the vendor bonuses, all right? Tutorials and training, and you have a 60-minute funnel workshop, the full agency rights. Okay, so these are some of the bonuses that come with SuperFunnels, and every other person who's doing a review video will be offering these, but you'll only find these other bonuses that I just went through with you on my page through my link in the bottom of this video description. So now let's actually take a look in the members area and see if SuperFunnels actually delivers or not. Now, to determine that, I did run a test, and I've promoted a product through one of their pages. So this is the back end of SuperFunnels. This is the members area, okay? Now, if you get the front end of SuperFunnels, what you're going to get here is you're going to have access to 2 templates. Now, I have the upsell, which is where they give me like several done for you templates. And so what you would do is you would pick a template when you enter SuperFunnels, and you go in here, and this will take you to this screen where you can see the templates that you've made. And this one lets you create a new one, okay? So I've already selected my template, all right? And what I can do is I can then enter a campaign name. So I will just call this test. And then I can put in my URL. Let's see. Well, I guess I'll put in this URL here. Why not? All right. And yeah, put that in. Okay. And then you put in your name. This is optional, of course, but for the thank you page, they highly recommend using your name and your picture. All right. And down here, okay, this is where you can put in a push notification script, which they show you how to do in the tutorials. And here you can select your autoresponder once you've set it up. So I always use a get response. Okay, and then you click save and publish. And once you've done that, you're going to end up with something like this. Okay, so this is the template that I have. This is a ready-made template, which you can edit. And it's super high converting, guys. Look at this. They have the scarcity bar here. So we have 5 spots only, and it shows 3 out of 5 spots. Now, of course, you can customize all of this. Now, this is the landing page that I built for my test. Okay, so I've already run a campaign with this last night. I promoted it on Facebook groups, okay, and this is the results I got, okay. So the results that I got are here. I should have had 10 sales. Okay, actually, okay, I got 13 sales here in my Warrior Plus account. So that's a nice surprise. I was expecting 10 because 3 hours ago I checked and I only had 10. So this is from it's a less than 24-hour test run of this, all right? And I've gotten 13 sales, and that is just by using this particular funnel here. Now, how does this work? Okay, you get 3 traffic sources with this funnel. When you go in here, and if you go to the tutorials, all right, in the tutorials, they're going to give you a complete walkthrough on how to use the super funnels, okay? They're going to show you how to connect your autoresponder, so it's going to connect straight away to email. And then they're going to also show you how to increase email deliverability. It's a good trick, but I'll be honest, you will need my bonus on email marketing to get the best deliverability. And then you're going to connect your ManyChat account. And again, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. If you don't know what ManyChat is, it's a free chat account given by Facebook. You set up a Facebook fan page, and ManyChat allows you to chat with people on Facebook, but it's kind of like an autoresponder that you can pre-program it with specific conversations where you can promote products. Now, that's the real power of this funnel, and that's what I used to get my 13 sales with this test run, okay? I don't think any of my emails have gone out yet, so I might get a few more sales from that. And if you look down here, number 5, this is for push notifications. They call it push crew, but it's often known as push notifications. And what that is, it's a little code that you put in your landing page, which will cause a notification to appear in the corner of your website. And if people accept your notifications, what will happen is they will automatically get notifications related to your funnel, and they will come back. So it's also kind of like an autoresponder, and it's 4 times more powerful than email, okay? So I got my results without even using push notifications. This was really just a quick test and the demo to see if this system works at all, and it definitely seems to work well. Okay, and then here you have a final video on how to put everything into action. And like I said, I just used Facebook groups. I looked up Facebook groups for Make Money Online and business opportunities. And all I did is I just talked about my funnel on those Facebook groups. And I got a ton of people going to my actual Facebook page and clicking through to it. And then from there on, my Facebook chats took care of the rest. Okay, so that's how it works in a nutshell. Now, is this worth it? Well, I'll tell you, this is definitely new for a few reasons. Most funnels out there are ClickFunnels, okay? And they're really expensive. ClickFunnels will cost you like upward to $90 a month. And then there is also the GetResponse landing page builder, and that's going to cost you about $30 a month. With this, you're going to pay a one-time fee of about $19 or $20 for the front end. Of course, the price is going up, but after that, you don't pay anything else. So, you're saving hundreds, even thousands of dollars, right? Just, get out your calculator and let's look at GetResponse, multiply $30 times 12 months, all right? And, you're looking at several $100s. If you do the same thing for ClickFunnels, you're looking at over $1,000 per year. So, you can get this for $19 and it will build the funnels for you, and it will give you the templates ready to go. You can just, customize the text, and you can create your own thank you pages. Here, I'll show you how that works. I have a bunch of test ones done here. I'm not going to create new because it will take a few minutes, and I would just rather show you the final results. So we'll go here. Let's, some of these test ones I did weren't my best. We'll try this one. This is the thank you page. So here we have test 99. I've done a few tests, right? Okay, so that's the landing page. And then here you have a pop-up. Are you sure you want to miss out on this $197 day system? Okay, so it's urging people to sign up. And once they do, they're going to automatically get emails from your autoresponder. And then you have your thank you page. All right, so this is just a test thank you page with a fake picture. Obviously, you're going to want to put in your real name and your real picture. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. So you keep all of your landing pages and your thank you pages here. Now, guys, I'll tell you one thing. Another reason that I got 13 sales so quickly is because I did use bonuses, okay? Just like I'm using in this video. I did offer bonuses in my follow-up chatbot messages, which definitely helped people decide to buy the product that I was promoting. Now, you can get done for you bonuses in my bonus vault, which I'm giving you, if you remember the bonus section over here, okay? So, you definitely want to be using bonuses to get good results with this, all right? One other thing, I forgot to go over the different upsells. I should go over that with you. Let me do that. Where is it? Where did it go? Here it is. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so the upsells you can get, I put them on my bonus page, my notes of the upsells. Okay, so there are several upsells you can get within the members area. So the first upgrade is $67. Okay, so remember the front end is $19, okay? But if you want to upgrade and get a whole bunch of done for you funnels already made for you, you can do that for an extra $67. And of course, that's just a one-time payment. The second upgrade is $197, and that gives you a complete done for you system. And what that means is they're going to write the emails for you, okay, and they're going to give you all of the graphics templates that you need. So that's really good if you have a few extra dollars because it'll save you a lot of time. Next is the limitless traffic for $197. This is where you can put your pixel, your tracking pixel, on Brendan and Jono's sales page, and this will allow you to get very cheap retargeted traffic. We're looking at about 10 cents per click. And their other upgrade is number 4. That is $197, and they give you a complete 1K system. It gives you everything to land high-ticket commissions. We're looking at $1,000 commissions, $500 commissions. So that's very helpful as well. Of course, you can get that with my bonuses too. And upgrade number 5, $97. This is full license rights to resell Super Funnels as your own product and get 100% commissions throughout the entire funnel. If you got the extra bit of money, I recommend it because, like I said, the price of this will be going up. And this is just an unbeatable thing. I'm very sure a lot of new marketers are going to be flocking to this because it's going to allow them not only to save a lot of money, but to get 3 times more traffic than a normal funnel. Because a normal funnel just centers around email leads, but this funnel centers around email, it centers around chatbots, and it centers around push notifications. So guys, we started off this video with the question, does this product live up to its claim, right? Cutting edge, never before seen. I would say yes, okay? Can you triple your traffic sources? Well, yes, because it includes the chatbots, it includes the push notifications, and the email, okay? So it does deliver everything that it says it does, and I have had results with it. So having said that, I'll wish you guys a great day and good luck in all of your marketing. Bye for now.